turning into the entrance of the 80-acre Jones Ranch, you'll feel like you've finally been transported from the everyday life that you've become accustomed to. While the prairie grasses dance in the breeze and hawks circle overhead, your retreat from the masses welcomes you home. And maybe your horses run alongside, or your cattle bellow to announce your presence. As you pull up the long entrance, family welcome you as they're playing in the yard or on the large covered patio that connects directly inside. You get a sense and then understand this compound will serve as your family gathering place for generations to come. The Jones Ranch is located in Fort Lupton, Colorado. That's less than an hour from Denver and Denver International Airport. Boulder, Colorado is only 40 minutes away, while the Colorado Front Range offers endless recreational opportunities from world-class skiing to hiking and biking. A barn and pasture sit in the southwest corner, where your four-legged companions are waiting for you to throw them a bale or two. Perhaps someone is picking fresh herbs or vegetables from the spacious garden, or the kids are playing pickleball on the competition tennis court. Maybe while all this is happening, you sneak into the oversized garage and quietly slip into relaxation mode on the large private covered deck. Or take a quick soak in the hot tub as you marvel at the snow-capped peaks of the Rockies. But don't think this property is just about outdoor enjoyment. There's even more waiting for you inside. As you walk in the main entranceway, you'll be greeted by the arched, heavy metal front door that sets the tone for the rest of the home. Immediately, you enter the spacious gathering areas of the large living and dining rooms. Enjoy the tall ceilings, softened corners, arched doorways, and flowing design. Heading down the main hallway takes you up a set of stairs past the study with its floor-to-ceiling bookshelves. Continuing leads you to the expansive primary bedroom and bath. Off the bedroom, walk out onto your private covered deck with a grand view of the Rocky Mountains. A private mother-in-law suite sits tucked away adjacent to the master, boasting a sitting room, full bathroom with shower, and bedroom. The large windows make this a bright and charming room. Up the spiral staircase, a bonus craft or reading room is hidden in the tower above. As you head through the dining room, the journey to the kitchen presents a stairway that leads up to two spacious bedrooms and baths, creating a separate upstairs living wing. The large farmhouse-style kitchen is waiting for you to add your touch of a large table or island to complete the design. With direct access to the large, nearly 1,000 square foot covered patio, this will no doubt become a popular area for all your family and guests. The patio keeps you cool in the summer, and the large wood-burning Kiva fireplace is just what you need for cool evenings. The north wing of the home offers yet another bedroom with a private bathroom, laundry, and an oversized fitness area. Following an outside paved path, there is another spiral staircase that leads to a large rec room built on top of the four-car garage. Enjoy the pool table and add your own games to make this a family favorite spot. There are surprises around every corner, and you'll quickly see that this thick-walled, passive solar, energy-efficient home is the perfect example of simple elegance. If you've been looking for a unique and versatile legacy homestead that has the privacy and security of being away from it all, the Jones Ranch is worth a closer look. For a private, qualified showing, please contact Michael Alexander or Dale Smigelski today.